Hello, everyone. My name is Kasfino Juku. I'm a blockchain developer and a smart contract developer as well. Uh, in the previous video, I explained how you can receive tokens on MXC zkEVM blockchain and also how you can receive tokens from Arbitrum Goerli testnet and also how you can bridge from Arbitrum to MXC zkEVM. So in this video, we are going to focus solely on the bridge. In the other video, we bridged, but we only bridged from Arbitrum to MXC zkEVM. But in this video, we'll bridge from Arbitrum to MXC zkEVM, and we are going to bridge back to Arbitrum Goerli from MXC zkEVM. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right. So going to the bridge here, which we used earlier. So first thing first, I'm currently on Arbitrum Goerli network, as you can see here, and I'm connected. So if you follow the tutorial from where it started, you should already have some Arbitrum Goerli test ETH. So let's check my wallet if I still have some test ether which I claimed. So I have 0.0192 test ETH. Sorry, this MXC is showing here is it's error from MetaMask. So yeah. So to proceed, so I'm going to be bridging this MXC token we have here. So I have 10,000 MXC, so I'll be bridging 100 MXC. So first thing first, I'm going to approve this transaction. So let's see, MetaMask comes up. So I'm using default and I'm clicking next and I approve this transaction. So let's wait for it. Transaction sent, confirm. This is super fast. So now I'm bridging to MXC Wannsee. Let's wait for it. It's coming up. All right, so I'm confirming this transaction here. And here we go. Okay, transaction completed. All right, so now we have completed this transaction. We have bridged. So what we need to do now, we need to claim. So if you see now, we have this transaction here, we need to claim it. But before we claim it, we have to switch to MXC Wannsee chain to claim this guy. So I'll switch network. So before I click the claim, let's confirm something. So I'm opening my MetaMask. So going to assets, see that we have 95.1146 MXC tokens here. It was 100 before, but because we're paying for transaction fee, it's now 95.1146. So before we claim, you should see the balance. So let's claim now, and after claiming, you should see the updated balance. That's to be sure that our bridge worked very well. All right, let's confirm this transaction. Transaction sent. Wait for it. Transaction completed. So this transaction has been completed. Let's check our wallet again. And you see we have 192 now. That's we paid up to 3 MXC for gas fee. All right. So we have 192 now. So that means the bridge works successfully. So if you check our assets, you see we have 192. So now we want to bridge back to Arbitrum. So I'll be bridging Ride, Park, and MXC back to Arbitrum. So let's go to, we are still on Wannsee network, so we are bridging to Arbitrum. So I'll go here. So I want to bridge. So remember we have, okay, why is this guy still showing 1000? It's not supposed to be showing 1000 again. Let's see. It's showing this guy. So let me reload this stuff to be sure it's giving us the correct balance. We are on MXC Wannsee network, so it's not supposed to be showing 10,000 again. Okay, yeah, we are seeing the right balance now. So as you can see, it's showing 192 here. So now I want to bridge 120 MXC to to Arbitrum. Let's wait for it. I'll confirm this transaction. And transaction completed. So let's bridge right. So we have 30 right. So I'll be bridging 20 to Arbitrum. I'll first of all approve it. Use default. Next and approve. Transaction sent. Let's wait for it. Ending. Transaction completed. So let me bridge. Okay, so let's just work with these two. So now that we have bridged to Arbitrum, we need to claim these transactions on Arbitrum. So what we need to do is, why is this guy showing just this guy? Let me see here. It's supposed to bring up like 6 transactions over here. Let's wait for it. Okay, so we have this here. So all we just need to do now is switch to Arbitrum Goeli to claim this transaction. Wait. I think I missed a step. Let's see. Let's go back to this guy. Switch back to here. So go back to this bridge. Select right and put 20. Okay, I didn't bridge earlier. I only approved the transaction. So let's bridge now. That's why we didn't see it in the transaction list. So let's bridge it now. So bridge, wait for it. Okay, transaction confirmed and we are good. So let's check. All right, so yeah, we have 5 transactions. Yeah, this is what I was expecting. So to claim this, we have to claim it on Arbitrum network. So we have to switch to Arbitrum. Switch here. So before we claim this, let's confirm something. So going to assets, you see we have 20 right here, and we have 9900 MXC. 20 right, 9900 MXC. So let's claim here. So MetaMask should pop up. So confirm. Why error sending transaction? I don't know why it's that, but let's confirm this other, the MXC, and see. Are you saying error the sending transaction? So let's confirm this. Transaction sent, transaction completed, and this works. So let's check our, remember it was 99 something we had. So let's check our MXC. MetaMask, please come up. So going back to assets. So you see we now have 10,020. So that bridge works. Let's check this guy again. I don't know why he didn't send a transaction, but let's try it out again. Let's hope it bridges now. We're able to claim. So confirm. Still saying error sending transaction. I don't know why is that. So let's go back to Wannsee and claim it from back to our wallets from here. See. Okay, let's claim from here now. Switch network. Okay. Let's wait for it. Confirm. Transaction failed. So I think something is wrong here. I don't know why, but yeah, we're able to bridge the MXC token successfully from Wannsee to Arbitrum, and we bridged it from Arbitrum to Wannsee. And yeah, so that is that about this video. And so you can see the balance has changed here, and we are good. Thank you very much for watching this video, and in the next video I will be taking you through how to run an MXC supernode, how to enable a prover, how to deploy a smart contract on MXC blockchain. All right, thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful time. Bye.